Oral-B Pro Expert, one of the cheapest electric toothbrushes money can get. Let's see what we get in the box. But let me give you a bit of feedback about this very Azdent electric toothbrush that I reviewed a couple of months ago. To begin with,
I used this device for a good couple of months. Just click the link above to watch the full review of Azdent toothbrush later on. Let's see what we got inside after a couple of months. To open the brush, the head needs to be removed. Then we have to remove the battery housing cover. Ooh, what we have here? Yes, that is why the brush broke after a couple of months. A leak. Let me show you what was the reason for the leak to occur. First, we have to remove the battery connector and the control board with the motor. I had to use a bit of a brute force, but this is how the heart of the device look like. The electronics are protected by two gaskets, and the top one is made from rubber and simply deteriorated after a couple of months, letting water in and frying the board. The gasket guarding the battery housing cover is made from good quality silicone and seems to be perfectly fine after a couple of months of everyday use. But the top one is not in such good shape. To me it looks at least a bit suspicious that the big ring is made of very good quality material when the top, more important gasket, is made of rubber. Isn't that planned obsolescence? Because this very Azdent product stopped working after a couple of months, I have to downgrade this brush to 35 out of 100. Azdent manufacturers, work harder. Anyway, let's get back to our Oral-B. This is the box that you are going to get, and it is one of them easy to open, so no hassle here. Just squeeze it hard and you will get inside. In the box we are getting a short manual in a number of languages, 2 AA batteries and our cheap fully high-end brush. Let's get the batteries in. The locking mechanism seems to be much better than the one in Azdent brush that gave me a bit of trouble sometimes. Black gasket seems to be made of silicone rubber, so that is good, but I might be wrong. I do not have photospectrometer in my eyes. Oh, let's lock the device properly and let's get it started for the first time. Seems to be working fine. Let's see that in slow motion at 240 frames per second. My small one, I've been using this product for around 8 months now and no problems were reported to me so far. So not only the daddy but the small one is happy as well. The price is excellent, less than 10 quid, and replacement brush heads are cheap and available, so it is not a one-off device. I do like the item and I think it should be a better choice than Azdent, and it seems to have the most reasonable price/quality on the market today. I found it for 27 quid in Tesco's and I even saw it for 70 quid on one of the petrol stations, but they were simply rip-offs. Just check the links below and get it on Amazon US or UK for probably around 10 quid.
It is highly possible that these two products were made in the exactly same factory in China, because these products are being owned and sold by the same company, Procter & Gamble, on AliExpress. Click the link above to watch a full review of this very product, but in my less than humble opinion, this is a better choice for you. The price is almost the same, and it is made from better quality materials, as you can see in the video, and this is my choice, and I got one for myself as well that I just unboxed for you. Remember about watching some other of our videos, one here, and one here, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking my face. Here, just click it now!